Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 4. In the last 3 lessons, we learned how to transform simple shapes into different characters. You all did great job exploring your creativity and imagination. Now, in this lesson, we are going to take it a step further. We will increase the number of shapes and work towards creating a single character. To guide you, we have developed a simple character using 6 shapes. This will help you understand how to combine shapes effectively and bring a full character to life. At the end of this video, we have given you a new set of shapes. Your task is to develop them into one single character and present it in the class.